Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle, and today is Christmas Palooza. Our host is Crafting with Indiana Jones, Shabby Meets Bling, and Jody at Southern Seasons. Please check out their amazing channels and this amazing playlist of all things Christmas Palooza. Okay, we're going to use honey brown and just base coat our cutting board. Make sure we go all in the same direction. And get a nice good coverage. When you do a lot of the stop and start, sometimes you can really see it depending on the color. I like to use a long stride and go all the way down the piece. To make a nice smooth coat. I don't know if this is you, but this is me. Every time I make eyes, I have to go and find them on like Pinterest or somewhere else to make sure I know how to do them again. Seems like between paintings or between crafts, I like forget how the eyes are done. Now I'm going to take wet paper towel, wet Kleenex, wet whatever. I don't know if I would use a like a baby wipe. I don't know. And then I go to the dry side. And then just, you can do red. I'm using pink because I use a lot of pink in my gingerbread. Then I'm going to do the mouth. I think I'm going to add a little pink tongue sticking out. fun pink tongue sticking out of there. While I'm at it, let's do some twinkles in the eye. And I forgot the nose. How did I do that? Now come back and highlight the nose with a little. Okay, let's do the highlighting around our nose. I did add a little bit of black line for her tongue. I got a new glue gun. It's got something my other glue gun never had, and that's an on and off switch. Wow, I'm getting fancy. Ooh. Oh, I get to turn it off. Okay, we're going to cheat a little bit. I'm going to add a bow in her hair. And this is just a pre-made bow from Amazon. Here's our cute little cutting board. Gingerbread cutting board for Christmas Palooza.